this is where I sort of briefly brought up this idea that we make subjective choices about objective measures all the time. And I think this is a really big thing for us to think about when we're designing systems. Like, what objective measures did we encode into these systems? And what is the impact of those? What is the impact of using a different one? What's the impact of having more than one? I actually am a big proponent of systems that minimally presuppose the interpretation of data, especially when you have composable, decentralized systems. The more that the systems layer and build on each other, and the lower layers make minimal assumptions about the use of their use in higher level systems, the more collectively adaptive your system becomes. I would argue that having a token on every protocol is kind of counterproductive because it's harder to compose things, but I understand that it's currently a practicality of like launching and fundraising these protocol development projects. But strictly speaking, we probably prefer something where we don't need as many intermediate tokens, and that building systems up on the lower level systems presupposes even less. I will point out, this is one of my favorite little drawings. I always sort of assume some level of heterogeneity in a successfully designed and implemented and realized system. We're going to always assume that a lot of what comes out is emergent and less of it is actually engineered.